Let's create the Etsy listing. Okay, I will go here, add a listing. Okay. Category is a PNG file, it's a download. So let's go to PNG files, and here you see digital print, digital prints, digital art and image files. I will choose this one. Okay, and then I will go down here and I will click on continue. It's a digital product. Have it here. Who made it? I did. Okay. Continue. Continue. Oh, let's scroll down. It's a finished product. When was it made? 2020, 2025. Go down. How is this? This image is created with help from an AI generated design created already. It's, let's say, yeah. Okay, let's go down here. Go to continue. And then here, let's wait with the title. Let's go down here. We're going to place here our mockups, okay? Mockups, let's get our mockups right here. So we can check them out. Here they are. Okay. We can select them all and open all of them in here. And here we are going to add the digital file. Click on here. I will go back here. Let's get our file. Here it is. Oh, it has a 1 in it. Let's remove that too. No numbers. No numbers in Etsy. Right click. Let's rename it. 4th July Cat USA. Enter. Now we have them here. Let's go in Etsy again. We're going to delete this one. Add 4th of July Cat. Here it is. Okay. It's 12 by 12 inch. And here is the description. Now we'll go back to Canva. And here is the description. We are going to select everything and copy it. Okay, I'm going to select everything on here. Come on. Okay, and copy it. Control C, and then go in Etsy and paste it. Okay, paste it in here. Okay, I'm going to make it into some points. I customize it a little. Put here separate. What you will receive. You will receive term of use. All this here, and then here, dot, and then, so all the pieces are here, the different pieces. The first piece is like the title that we're gonna have. It talked about what you can do, like talk to the customer, and then you tell them what they can use it for, some recommendations, some advice, and what they will receive. Okay, and terms of use. Okay, and also if they have any issues like customer service that you can give to them. Okay, let's go to the title. I will copy this and put it in here. Okay, I will check other listings and see their words. Okay, I'll put here like 4th of July kids. Let's see, kids cat PNG. Let's see if we have them. Okay, we have some cats. Okay, patriotic cat Mayuika. Okay, patriotic cats and stuff. Oh different ones. Let's check the title. When you're gonna check title, never look at the ads. Never look for ads. The ads are paid for, that's why they are there. Just go to regular ones. Patriotic cat PNG clip art. Meow. And also check on the bestsellers, okay? Patriotic Cat, 4th of July. Personalized, okay, these have name. This is a bestseller, but Patriotic Cat. Check what the bestsellers are doing. Okay. There are not many bestsellers. Okay. If it's another image you have, you can check them on here. But the word is patriotic cat, patriotic, or how you want to call it. And this is a bestseller. Let's go in. Patriotic cat, America, flag cat, PNG, and all that. Okay. It has a whole patriotic cat. You see that? America, flag cat. Let's take this part. Okay, and then we go back into our place here. America cat. I'm gonna post it here. Patriotic cat. Okay. Let's see what we can remove. America flag cat PNG. Is it good? American cat. No. Let's see. Furniture design kits kitten. Okay, we've already put sublimation in it. Patriotic cat, 4th of July. American flag cat, 4th of July PNG file. Okay, PNG file. Let's put this here. Let's remove this here. We can put this here. And let's see what we can remove. Let's see what we can remove. This P needs to go more to the front. One more thing we can remove. America furniture design. T-shirt. I'll get this out. Okay. Okay, I have this one here. So we don't do personalization. Let's put our price. Let's put our price for $3. Okay, if you want, you can add more, can make a bundle and sell it more expensive. Here you're gonna have $9.99. Okay. Type search. Let's see. At least one craft type must be selected. Let's see. Kids craft, card making and stationery, scrapbooking. I'll put all four. Okay. Primary color. We don't have to do the colored stuff. Okay. The design length is 12 inch, just 12 inches. This is that. Tags. Patriotic cat. You can have those words that we have on there. Patriotic cat. 4th of July. Independence Day. Independence Day. American flag. Cat with glasses. Fun shirt design. Gato. I have two here. Let me take it off. Let me add them. Okay, sign. Let's see. July. Funny shirt design. You can put all. You can fill all 11 tags. Material. Okay, we don't want to do anything with it, and then we are done. Let's see. Oh yeah. Here you should have it on manual. Shop section. You should create shop section. When you click on here, if you don't have section, you can click it on here and make it like 4th of July. Let's see, we say here 4th of July. Okay, and then you add all your 4th of July things in there. Well, let me see what the problem is. Okay, let's go back. 4th of July. Okay, I'm going to publish it. I don't know why it's acting like that. So and then you publish it, okay? And then your work is live. Let's click on here and it will come in here. You see that? You can click on it and you will click on view on Etsy and then you can see it on Etsy. I have things going, that's why I have it like that. You see that? This is how I create an Etsy listing and put everything on here. I hope this class was beneficial to you. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.